So we're gonna go over the M850i today. I'm Lewis in the marketing department. Hopefully if you watched our other videos that we've done already. We're gonna go over this triple black one that we got right now. So this has the extended shadow line trim. This also has the carbon fiber roof. And if you notice the double bubble feature, roofs needed to have a little bit more space for a helmet. We also have the Style 728 wheels in gloss black, 523 horsepower, 553 pound-feet of torque. And this has the M Sport differential. So even though it is xDrive, you do have that performance. And this has the M Sport exhaust. So this is gonna sound amazing. It just gives you a little bit of a sample of what the forthcoming M8 is gonna be like. This one also has iDrive 7, and this is on par, if not more so, than the X5. Let's take a look inside. For those of you familiar with the 2019 X5, this is the same touchscreen interface. You have Apple CarPlay is fully integrated, and of course you also have gesture controls. One cool feature that BMW is doing, and we've seen it on the X5 as well as on the 8, with the crystal shifter option, the model that you have is actually hidden right in there. Here it says 8 on your X5, it says X5. The M850i does have a very driver-focused interior. The 12.3-inch live cockpit display is going to give you all your necessary information. And that exhaust sounds good. That burble on overrun, great. So we're going to talk more about the aesthetics. And this strong shoulder, this character line right here, when you're looking in that rearview mirror, it's very similar to the i8. We have that great design element right back here. Moving to the front, we have BMW's laser lighting standard on the M850i, and of course, the now well-known join kidney grille. That's gonna wrap it up for our quick walk around on the M850i. This thing is a lot of fun. I've had the opportunity to drive it a little bit here in the city, and even at low speeds, this thing has presence. Thanks again for watching. Once again, please follow us, BMWNYC on Instagram, BMWNYC on Facebook, BMWNYC on YouTube.